Hey there, I'm Alex, your host at PicDigi, and I'm absolutely thrilled to welcome you to our channel. Get ready for an amazing tech journey with me. In today's video, we have an exciting lineup for you, with the top 5 action cameras currently dominating the market. Our goal is to help you navigate the options and make informed decisions that perfectly align with your specific needs. All the products we discuss in this video will be conveniently linked in the description below. To stay updated with the latest information and content, make sure to subscribe to our channel and enable the notification bell. By doing so, you'll never miss a single video. We hope you'll find this video both informative and enjoyable. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments. We value your feedback. Now that you're all set, let's dive in together and explore the best action cameras on the market. The GoPro Hero 12 boasts double the battery life, HDR video support, and the Max Lens Mod 2.0 for enhanced versatility. It features wireless audio, voice control, and is waterproof up to 33 feet, 10 meters. Additionally, the Hero 12 is compatible with optional accessories like the Media Mod, expanding its capabilities even further. The pros of the GoPro Hero 12 include extended battery life for uninterrupted recording, vibrant HDR video capturing fine details, versatile shooting options with the Max Lens Mod 2.0, user-friendly interface and controls suitable for beginners and professionals alike, and a waterproof design eliminating the need for additional housing. However, it's important to consider a couple of cons. The GoPro Hero 12 falls into the premium price range, which may be a limiting factor for some potential buyers. Additionally, if you already own a recent GoPro model, the upgrade to the Hero 12 might not offer significant enough improvements to justify the purchase. In summary, the GoPro Hero 12 provides impressive specs, including extended battery life, HDR video support, and compatibility with various accessories. Its pros include extended battery performance, vibrant HDR video quality, versatility in shooting, user-friendly features, and a waterproof design. However, the premium price and limited upgrade potential may be considerations for some buyers. The Insta360 ONE RS 1-inch 360 edition is an advanced action camera equipped with dual 1-inch CMOS sensors. It offers a wide range of photo and video modes, including HDR, time-lapse, and loop recording, providing users with creative flexibility. With compatibility for both iOS and Android devices, the Insta360 ONE RS 1-inch 360 edition allows seamless connectivity, and offers live streaming capabilities for real-time sharing of immersive 360-degree content. However, it's important to note that the Insta360 ONE RS 1-inch 360 edition is relatively expensive for the consumer market, and requires careful handling of its glass lenses to prevent scratches. The microSD card slot is also positioned in a way that makes card insertion and removal cumbersome. Additionally, the camera has a limited water resistance rating of IPX3 and can feel heavy when used with accessories like selfie sticks. In conclusion, the Insta360 ONE RS 1-inch 360 edition is a powerful action camera that excels in image quality, and offers a wide range of shooting modes. However, potential buyers should consider its higher price point, lens care requirements, limited water resistance, and additional weight when using accessories. The GoPro MAX, priced at an attractive $349 during the Black Friday deal, is a versatile 360-degree action camera with an array of pros and cons. With a high-resolution 360-degree video recording capability of 5760 by 2880, it delivers an immersive viewing experience. The Max Hypersmooth stabilization ensures incredibly smooth and steady footage, while the camera's waterproof design allows for exciting underwater adventures up to 16 feet. The built-in touchscreen simplifies control, and voice control and GPS capabilities enhance convenience. On the downside, the GoPro MAX is a slightly larger camera, which may affect its portability compared to smaller action cameras. Additionally, while the price during the Black Friday deal is attractive, the regular price might be higher compared to some competitor models. However, despite these drawbacks, the GoPro MAX remains an excellent choice for adventurous photographers and videographers. Its immersive capabilities, advanced stabilization, waterproof design, and convenient features make it a powerful tool for capturing stunning footage. Don't miss out on the Black Friday deal priced at $349 to take advantage of this versatile camera and elevate your photography and videography experiences. The Insta360 Go3 is a compact and lightweight action camera that comes with a price tag of $379.99, and it offers impressive specifications and features. In terms of specifications, the Insta360 Go3 boasts a 2.3-inch GoPro sensor, enabling high-quality video recording and photo capture. Now, let's explore the pros of the Insta360 Go3. Firstly, its small form factor and lightweight make it highly convenient for on-the-go shooting. The camera excels at image stabilization, ensuring smooth and steady footage even during fast-paced activities. With a battery life of up to 110 minutes, it offers long-lasting performance for extended recording sessions. Due to its compact size, there may be some compromises in image quality when compared to larger, more robust action cameras. In conclusion, the Insta360 Go3 is a compact and lightweight action camera that offers convenience and portability. It excels in image stabilization, has a long battery life, and provides a variety of shooting modes. However, potential buyers should consider the price and the possible trade-offs in image quality due to its compact size. Please note that the mentioned price of $379.99 reflects the lowest price observed in the past 30 days and may be subject to change. The AKASO Brave 7 LE, currently available at a Black Friday deal price of $109.99, is an action camera tailored for outdoor enthusiasts and adventure seekers. It boasts a 20MP CMOS image sensor and supports video resolutions of up to 4K at 30 frames per second. With its included waterproof case, it allows for underwater exploration up to depths of 131 feet, 40 meters. Equipped with a 2-inch IPS touchscreen and a front screen, it simplifies framing shots and capturing selfies. The camera incorporates electronic image stabilization to minimize camera shake, while its wide 170-degree field of view is ideal for capturing dynamic action sequences. Seamless connectivity is enabled through Wi-Fi, offering remote control functionality and effortless sharing. The battery provides an approximate recording time of 90 minutes. Notable pros of the AKASO Brave 7 LE include its versatility in recording options, dual screens, and waterproof design. However, it is important to consider its limited battery life, potential challenges in low-light conditions, and the availability of compatible accessories compared to more established brands. Priced at $109.99 as part of a Black Friday deal, the AKASO Brave 7 LE presents a compelling choice for outdoor enthusiasts seeking a capable action camera. And that's a wrap. We've come to the end of our action camera journey. But hold up, there's one more epic episode left in our Christmas special series. Next up, we're diving into the immersive world of 360 cameras. Get ready for the grand finale. Stay subscribed and keep that notification bell on. Get excited for the thrilling conclusion of our Christmas special with the exciting world of 360 cameras. Stay awesome, my friends. This is Alex from PicDigi, signing off. See you soon for the epic finale.